Now, you probably have some reason why you are not yet profitable up to now. Okay? And the honest truth is this. Hadn't be I've been trading the way I'm doing recently since this year, guys, I would have made a lot of money. It's not a joke. Okay? So why I'm bringing this video to you is this. Try as much as possible not to enter this new year with this your unprofitability attitude. If you will need to discipline yourself, do it now. Within a few days and this year is gone, okay? But you can actually still do something, right? Because you know yourself, you know how you've been doing things, you know whether it's working or not, you know things that you're supposed to change and things you're supposed not to, okay? So you can take these few days and you can sort things out. But whatever you do, guys, like, try to eliminate this attitude so that next year you become a profitable trader. So that next year you'll be doing things accurately. I am telling you this because it's like I'm seeing light. Although I'm not gonna jump into conclusion yet because it's just 3 months, okay? It's just 3 months that I've been trading with this, consistent with this stuff that I'm about to share with you guys right now. So what you're gonna do for me in this video, just like, subscribe, don't forget to follow my channel for more update like this. I always come here to share my trade analysis, my trade experience, the profit and loss that I made in the market. Okay, so this tip actually helped me, and it just worked for like 3 months now, like 3 months, and I can tell you, I can count the trade that I took, I can tell you the reason why I took those trades, and I can tell you how they ended up, and I can tell you the lesson that I learned from them. So recently, the one that I want to share with you guys today is this, but after that I'm going to be sharing it towards the end of this video, so make sure you watch till the end, all right, so that you can actually replicate the same thing I'm going to be explaining in my chart. All right, so here is what I'm saying, guys. You can know how to trade, you can absolutely know how to trade. Like, if anybody could like ask you how did you trade, you can actually tell that person. All right, but here is one thing you don't know, and probably you may know. There are certain things that actually backed up your profitability in the market. You being profitable is not just it's not just doing one thing. It's not just about technical analysis. Your psychology has to be in check. Your risk to reward, confirmations, trading strategy. Okay, every of all those things, they have to come together. All right. Recently, I've been doing 1, 2, 3, 4 risk to reward ratio. Okay, which is not the way I used to trade. All right, it's not the way I used to trade. I know myself. Okay. So, but what happened now is that my trade took long at times for it to come. And trust me, whenever it comes, within these 4 months, whenever it comes, like, I hardly experience a loss. Okay? I'm going to be sharing this on my chart so that you will learn from it, so that you will do exactly what I'm doing. Okay? So, it's going to mess up your profitability. Okay? If once you become impatient, even though you know how to trade, but there are certain things that you should observe before you actually place your trade, and you fail to do those things, probably check your 4-hour time frame. What is it the time to trade? If you're using indicator, I don't use it. Check whether, just be patient so that you can get so much confirmation that can enable you to take this trade, so that if anybody can actually ask you, why did you take this trade, you can tell him this and that, because everybody has what he or she is following in this industry. That is what makes them profitable traders. All right, you can't just become and you be doing a lot of things, just be doing it and hoping to say it's not going to work. Okay, so impatient, he has dealt with me personally. Most time, like, we tend to lose so much money before we can actually do the right thing, and I don't know why. Like, we know we are doing the wrong thing, but we have to lose. The police also say this, I must say it. Yes, he said this. He said that sometimes you have to go through the losses so that you can regain your mind, so that you can because the truth is that even you that is watching this video now, you are not taking note. There are certain things that you should be writing down, that you should be jotting down, but you are not taking those things. I mean, while you consume a lot of content, all right, but you are not replicating those things that you are learning. Okay. Now, the police say that you have to go to certain season of loss. Once you fail to do the right thing, you'll be experiencing those losses until you learn. Okay, so I don't know the reason why we tend to lose more before we can actually do the right thing. But bro, is it supposed to be like that? Let us tell ourselves the truth. Is it supposed to be like that? I think we should be able to learn from the mistake that happened to other people, or probably the one that we have experienced before. This is my personal opinion anyway, and I believe any other person can actually say this. But at this point, I want you to subscribe. Have you subscribed? Okay, let's go. Right? It's not right for us to continue to lose, because this, what I'm saying is because it actually happened to me. Okay, it actually happened to me. We don't have to continue to lose. Okay. Even in the Bible, Paul said, "Shall we continue in sin that grace may abound?" No, we are dead to sin. There's no reason why we should continue to dwell in iniquity, right? So, take correction from your mistake. Learn from other people. If you actually learn something from the video that I'm posting, and you know that this is what you have not been doing right, you don't have to wait until you experience those things. You can actually correct it by yourself. Okay? And I'm not saying that you can actually implement all that I'm sharing here, but no, what I'm saying is this: you can actually, pick out some stuff within what I'm saying on this video, and you can actually put it on your own. Add it up on what you have, and you're going to continue to grow. Okay? But no matter what you do, don't forget to do what it takes, like whatever thing that you have to do possibly to ensure that you are profitable by next year. So there are a few setups that I actually analyzed. I'm going to be sharing this setup with you guys, and I'm going to be taking you on an explanation, and I'm going to be giving you guys details on how I was able to take this trade. All right, I actually analyzed this market last week Saturday. It stayed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4 trading days. Market didn't come to my entry, and I was patient. That's what I'm saying. Once you start becoming profitable, you'll be more patient. That's what I'm saying. So if you can be able to be patient, you're going to be better as you enter next year. Okay? So 4 trading days, it didn't come to my entry, but I waited until Friday, and I got triggered. 1:4 risk to reward ratio. Okay? 1:4 RR. Right? It's about 42 pip on GBP/USD. Okay, I also analyzed AUD/USD, but it didn't really play out the way I want, and it played out the way I want anyway, but it didn't actually trigger me in because my entry was a bit lower, because I didn't used to set my entry point the way you used to do now, and I hope that you come up higher. Yes, let us grow together. Okay, so I'm going to be jumping into my channel. I'm going to be explaining. Please guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, here we are on AUD/USD. You can actually see the market was making a lower lows and lower high. So you get to this level, it tested this support level, it started going up from here. Alright, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 61 is actually the one that actually reversed this market and actually started going up. Okay, so I'm going to be scaling down to 4-hour time frame. So quick one, I didn't want to remove those lines on my chart because I don't want this video to be long. That's the reason why I just leave it like this. But of course, if you've been following my analysis and my channel, you should know that I only trade price action, which is support and resistance, basically following the trend. Okay, so let us get down to my 4-hour time frames so that I can actually explain it better. Awesome. Right, so this is on last week though. So this market touches here, there's a support here, it started going up, making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, started making higher highs and higher lows. So you get to this point, it started coming down. Okay, so I know that this market is not going to just continue to go up from here just like this. I know it was not going to do that because why? It didn't close with full body here. Okay, it did not close with full body. Like I said, everybody has the things that is working for them. All right, so the reason why I didn't take this buy from here, even though I saw this bullish pin bar here, is because it did not close with a full body. All right, so even this week now, there is no people that it didn't actually stop a lot of people out at this support level, even though it tested it. Okay, so that was the reason why I did not take the trade. So it started doing as if it was going to continue making a higher highs and higher lows, going up. Okay, but you get to this level, I know it was not going to continue going up. Okay, because there's a resistance here actually, and it broke it. It came to test it the next day. It did not continue to going up. Instead, it broke it, as you can see. So I expected this market to come down here probably on Monday or Tuesday, but it did not. Look at what happened. It started, once it broke out of this trade line that I actually draw here, it started coming down from there, making a lower lows and lower high. And where did it actually bounce off? It actually came to this very support level that I told you that it should close with full body. And look at what happened after that. It gave us a double bottom from here, and it started going up. It started moving up here. I hope you guys you're understanding what I'm explaining here. There is no better way I could actually explain this video. But if you are a price action trader, you should know that this is a higher highs and higher low, and from here market is actually coming down. So this is a lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so now this market get to this very support level, which was where my entry is. So my entry was a bit lower here. Okay, because of course, like I said, I don't used to set my entry point like every other people or every other person. All right, so I have my different way of doing things. So it happened that this market I actually didn't get my entry before it actually reversed and started going up, which is cool. But at least it did what I wanted it. I expected of it to do. All right. So guys, I don't know. I ate something. It just disturbing me. Okay, but I hope you guys can actually hear me very very loud and clear. All right. So this was how I was able to cut this very trade. So it took me about 4 days for this trade setup to actually come. About 5 days actually before it actually moved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that is it. Today is Monday, which he actually bought and it was going up. Okay, so let us go to my GBP USD so that I can actually take that one quickly so that this video will not be long. All right, I hope you guys are understanding what I'm explaining though. All right, so you can actually see market was making a lower highs and lower low from here. All right, market was coming down. All right, so if I actually draw two trend line here, which is one here, two here. All right, so this one is small while this one is big one, right? And you can see was this from this big one is actually looking as if it was gonna come down, even though I'm not sure of that, right? But nothing is certain. So this is how I was able to execute this very trade, right? So there was lower lows and lower high from here. It was coming down. So you can actually see that this market dropped from here. It touched this trend line. It goes up again, come down. I expected this market to come to this place and form a low that is lower than this previous low. But it did not happen like that. Instead, it bounces off this support that is here. Okay, and if you look here, you will see that the market actually respected a support level here. Alright, so this is what happened. It bounces off here. Okay, I say fine. Since this market is not giving me a lower low, I am going to be looking for entry around this very support level. So I have to come back and set my entry just exactly here. Exactly, and I'm going to be attaching the trade so that you people will see it. I'm not just saying it. I actually took the trade. I executed the trade. And if you're on my Telegram channel, I actually shared it on my Telegram channel, even on my WhatsApp status. All right, so this was the place that I actually took this trade from, and it went up from here. And you can actually see that from here now, this market is going up, and I don't expect it to come down because I think USD is actually gaining strength. Okay, so I hope you guys are able to understand this video. Anyway, I don't want this video to be long. If you have been following my channel, you should know that this is how we do it. I don't really like complicating or over explaining things. It's just easy. It's things that I'm actually used to. Okay, simple. You look at market is making a lower lows and lower high, and from here market failed to continue going down. From here market also failed to continue coming down to form a low that is lower than this previous low to show us that sellers are still strong in the market. But instead it bounces off of this support level here, 1, bounce off here, 2, bounce off here, 3. That's why I said okay, I'm going to set my order rightly below here so that it will come and trigger me in. It just came. Look at where my order is. It just came and triggered me in. I'm going to be attaching it. It was actually a sniper entry. Okay, so I'm going to be attaching the video here so that you can actually see it. So from here guys, the market started going up. I never returned back since last week up to now. Okay, this is 1 hour time frame. So guys, I hope you guys actually enjoy this video. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys learned from this video. Anyway, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe.